Hi everyone, welcome back. I've just got myself the new Nintendo Switch Lite. I've been waiting for this ever since they announced it back in July, and yes, I've got it on the actual release day, the official street release day of the Nintendo Switch Lite. So I just went to Trafford Centre to pick up my reservation, got this in the grey, because I love grey. I did try the turquoise. I did tell one of the guys at the store to show me the turquoise, because I was interested in that, but to be honest with you, it was a little bit bright, and I think it was probably going to end up interfering with the colours of the screen when I'm playing games such as Donkey Kong or Zelda Breath of the Wild, because there's a lot of greens in it. The yellow one is a definite no-no for me. I'm not a yellow person, don't like the colour yellow at all, so, but that's all good. If you like yellow, you go for yellow. That's what it's all about. That's why they've got a range of colours. So I'm just going to do a quick little unboxing today. It's still the 20th of September. Let's just have a look on the phone. Yep, 20th of September, Friday. Look at that time, 23:47. I'm doing my unboxing just before midnight, so that's what you call dedication. Anyway, let's get on with this. I think this might be the first grey Nintendo Switch Lite unboxing done in the UK. But I might be wrong on that. There might have been hundreds of people doing these unboxings, but hey, I'm going to stop talking and get on with the unboxing. So, on the front, we've got the Switch Lite front, on the front side of the cover. Have a quick look at the side. We've got the side angle again showing and highlighting that this is actually meant to be a portable device, which, you know, that's a discussion, isn't it? Is it as good as the original Switch or is it not? But to be honest with you, for me, I've not bought the original Switch. I was tempted, but when they announced this, I thought, you know what, this is just ideal, because this is the closest thing that I can get to my PSP, and this is my original PSP that I had, and I absolutely loved this. This is like one of the first generation PSPs, so I just wanted something that's like for like with like the latest games that I can enjoy, and then maybe next year or in the year, a couple of years when they bring the Switch Pro, which they hopefully will bring, I might end up investing in that. But for the meantime, I think this is going to keep me happy, and it'll keep the kids happy as well. So on the other side, we've just got a bit of blurb, not too bothered about that. On the underside, again, blurb. On the back, switch it around, eh? Did you see what I did there? Switch it around. So they're just showing the back of the actual design of how it's going to look. Now, I've not seen the grey in person. I saw the turquoise at the shop, and I also saw the yellow at the shop. Turquoise, again, like I said, was really nice. But again, for me, it's got to be grey. I love grey. It's one of my favourite colours. And because it's a muted colour, it's a neutral colour, it won't interfere with the colour of the game. So let's just crack this one open now. I did ask the guy at the store whether these are actually sealed from the edges, but they're not. Apparently none of them are sealed, and I've seen on other unboxings that the boxes aren't sealed. There's no kind of sealed tab on them, which is a bit weird. So, you know, you end up buying a device and you don't get like a seal on it. So, but anyway, whatever, eh? So let's just open this up. You can see it's not been opened, so you can see there's no dent mark in there, so it's a brand spanking new. Well, it better be brand spanking new. Paid a lot of money for this. So let's just open this up, and as you open up the flap, you've got a bit of instruction on the side of where the plug's going to go in, UK and US plug. This better be a UK version, because obviously I'm from the UK. So let's just bring this out. Now, I don't know if I've got this the right way. I don't want it to fall out. So let's just turn it around. Yeah, let's get it the right way around. That'd be a good start. So let's just have a look. Yep, there we have it. So you can just throw that box on the side. The packaging's very light, just like the Switch Lite. That's what you expect. So overall on the top, you've got this little flap, which protects it from actually dropping out, which is good. So it's really nice, solid, rigid packaging. So let's just pull this up, so it just clicks out of place, and there you have it. There's that masterpiece. There's that Switch Lite in beautiful grey. And do you know what? I really like that grey. That grey is really nice. Absolute gorgeous grey, that. Have a look at the back. Very nice. Okay, let's just move that to the side. Quickly see what's in the box. You know, we're not interested in what's in the box. I just want to check to see that it's the right one. It's the UK adapter. And there we have it. Yes, it's the UK adapter, so it's the 3-pin plug. Very good. And it'll just be a USB-C connector. You can see on the screen, USB-C. I'll open that later on. I'm not going to do a demonstration of it. This is just a quick little unboxing. I will do a full review and demonstration of this in the coming days, so do subscribe to the channel and have a look. So there we go. This is the first time I'm actually holding my Switch Lite. Wow, that's really nice that way. It would help holding it the right way, wouldn't it? Right, look at that. Oh, that's really nice. I really like that. It's got a really nice feel to it. Looks really, really good, that. So, let's have a look. So, Switch Lite feels really nice. I mean, it's got this matte finish to it. It's like a soft matte finish. Very nice and clean. And you can see the logo written at the back. We've got the shoulder buttons up here. We've got ZR, ZL over there. Switch it around at the back. Keep saying switch, don't I? So look at that. So we've got the micro SD card that should go in here. Yeah, standard micro SD card flips in there. That's where your USB-C goes, charger, and on the other side we've got the grill. So you can see over here we've just got the grill, the air vent. We've got the headphone jack, so you can plug in your standard headphones, and we've got the volume rocker up and down, the power switch, and this is where the games will go. So the game card, just flip that open as well. There we go. So that just flips open and you just pop in one of your cartridges. So let's just have another look at that. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. So we've got these buttons here, they do a nice clicky on the joysticks. Nice little clicky. We've got the standard A, B, Y, X buttons here. Home button over here on the screen. The plus and minus buttons, so they get that standard on Nintendo. You got it on the Wii as well. We've got the standard joystick here, and we've got the D-pad. Now there's been a lot of talk about this D-pad here because on the standard Switch you didn't really get the D-pad, but I will be testing this out to see how comfortable it is. I mean, I've got small hands, so for me that's quite a nice fit. That feels really nice in my hands. I think it's just right. So if people who've got like bigger hands, they may struggle a little bit because my reach is like literally up to here. So I guess with the D-pad, if you are like playing a fighting game that you know rely on the D-pad, you could end up, yeah, I mean it's alright. I mean, I'm gonna have to really test this out, but really from first impressions I've got to say this is absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad I got it in this grey colour. And yeah, so that's about it for the unboxing. I mean, I got this as a package on the release day, and I got it with the Zelda, the new Zelda, which also got released today, Link's Awakening. Not really into Link's Awakening, but I'm more into the role-play games, the open world role-play games. So I actually wanted the other one, the Breath of the Wild, but they didn't have it on this offer. I mean, this offer that I got was great. So it was pretty much you got the game free with it, and this game is like £50–60 this game. So I think I got a pretty decent deal. I mean, I'm going to have a go at this. Maybe I'll probably end up having a go at this all night tonight. I'll be up all night playing on this. So I will set it up, check it out, and then I'll do a full review in the next video. So subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself, and peace.